Hey guys, welcome back. Unlike most of my sessions, which are mostly digital marketing updates, now this is going to be a course trailer that I'm going to talk to you about, and I thought it would be an interesting move to drop a course trailer in my YouTube channel so that people understand what kind of content gets included in my course, and it gives you some context to place about how you can use this course. So today's trailer is going to be about something called as a microwave approach to digital marketing. Most of you must be wondering about microwave approach to digital marketing. Really now? Yes, microwave approach to digital marketing. Have you ever told your microwave what to do after you have set the timer on? You have not. In fact, let's have a look at what a microwave does. A microwave cooks what you want in whatever specification you have wanted it to cook, and it keeps beeping until you come and take your food out of the microwave. Now, this is exactly what I'm talking about, and this is no different than This is no different from marketing automation. Now, most of us, when we look at marketing automation or when we think about marketing automation, we look at it like a mountain and say that, shit, I'm never going to climb this mountain because it's so much. And in that process, what we do is we don't even make a start. We don't even try to understand what it is all about. And I've gone through the same situation too a couple of years ago. But when I paid little attention to what was happening, and when I decided to make a start somewhere, because 95% of us are not able to achieve what we want to achieve because we have not started. Now we look at the bigger picture, we look at the big mountain, but we never realized we won't even look at how high the mountain is. So we dropped the idea even before that. So I was going through the same phase, and I thought, let me give this a try. I really want to see what it is all about. So I decided to just try wherever I wanted to, and I didn't want to take a formal approach to say, what is the first thing that I need to look at marketing automation? Do I do this? Do I do that? I just decided to start, and I did. Let me tell you what I discovered in the process. In the process, I discovered that 30% of your time and effort gets saved when you talk about automation. And I'm not talking about some heavy automation like most of the multinationals claim that they're doing. I'm just talking about simple marketing automation hacks that digital marketers can automate in their daily lives. A small example is using something called as AdWords Editor in Google Ads saves about 30% of your efficiency, but I've never seen most of the trainers or the training institutions adapt to using AdWords Editor. Why? I don't know. So if you start looking at this, when using a tool like AdWords Editor can reduce your effort by 30 to 36%, that's exactly the statistic that I had when I trained people on AdWords Editor in past at Google. This is what I found. How about starting somewhere and start automating the basic tasks of your digital marketing activities on a daily basis? Now let me ask you an interesting question. Your audience will be very fine with paying you $1,000, but they would be very, very, very cautious when they have to give at least 5 minutes of their attention to you. Now that's what I'm talking about, and that's the problem that you need to address. Now when attention became so scarce, and when everybody is so guarded about their attention, how do you get the attention? One problem that I had faced is when I was doing these marketing updates on a daily basis, I had enough time to go through the updates, research about them, get all the updates, and then put them in a format. And with a lot of difficulty and with a lot of time crunch, and I was half dead by the time I uploaded this video onto YouTube. Now, your audience is not going to come just because you uploaded a video on YouTube. Your audience is going to need much more than that. So what do they need? They need you to attract them. They need you to tell them that their attention is worth the time that they're going to spend. So how do you do that? You spread across different platforms. Now, when I was half dead by the time I posted the video to YouTube, how else will I get the courage or the energy or the ideas to bring it up on other platforms? So that's when I decided I would want to do something about it, and that's when I figured out that there was something called as IFTTT, which is if this then that. You will see somewhere here. So IFTTT is a tool which would help you automate a lot of things. Now a simple thing can be, you can just tell your Google voice assistant to switch off your phone by the time you go to bed, say around 11 p.m. Now your assistant will automatically do that. Now that's an automation. Now that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is not just executing one sort of automation, but establishing a chain of activities that can be automated, where you automatically reduce 30% of your effort, and you just get everywhere on all these platforms at once, not you having to spend time over and over again on these individual platforms, which saves you a lot of hassle when it comes to time. It saves a lot of mental tension that you go through, and you're everywhere in a jiffy. Now that's exactly what I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed the trailer, so sit back, enjoy, and see what this trailer is going to. Though it would not entail everything that we'd be talking about, but this is just a trailer, so sit back and have fun. See you guys with another trailer soon. Until then, this is Casey signing off. Cheers.
Welcome to the hands-on session on IFTTT, which stands for If This, Then That. In its very own acronymical format, it explains that if there is an action, there is an